Greetings, and welcome to the CoinPort Cryptocurrency Exchange. My name is Leonie Green, and I am the Customer Success Manager at CoinPort. Today, I will be guiding you through the simple and easy onboarding process. Simply click the Sign Up button to begin. Now let's fill in your details. Choose a username you'll remember, enter your email address, and create a strong password. If you've got a referral code, add it here. Don't forget to tick the box for our terms of service. Brilliant. We've sent a verification email to your inbox. Please check your email and click the verification link to activate your account. Lovely. Your CoinPort account is now active. Let's sign in and complete your profile setup. Welcome to your dashboard. To ensure the security of your account, we'll need to verify a few details. Let's start with your mobile number. Enter your mobile number and click Send Code. We'll text you a verification code straight away. Perfect. Your mobile is now verified. Next, let's confirm your personal information. Please provide your legal name as it appears on your ID, your date of birth, and current residential address. This helps us keep your account secure and compliant. Well done. Your personal details are saved. Now for the next step, identity verification. Choose your ID type. Passport or driver's license work best. Then fill in your document details. Now we'll need 2 photos. First, a clear image of your ID, and second, a selfie of you holding your ID. Make sure both your face and the ID details are clearly visible. Your documents are being verified by our secure system. This usually takes just a few moments. You'll be notified once your identity has been successfully verified. Brilliant! Your identity has been successfully verified, and you're one step closer to trading, nearly there. As a final step, we need to confirm your residential address. Please upload a recent utility bill or bank statement that shows your current address. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your CoinPort verification. You're now ready to withdraw funds, trade cryptocurrencies, and enjoy all the features of our platform. Please press the subscribe button below to be notified of new videos and content as it is published. Thank you for joining us at CoinPort.